In this section of the tutorial, I will cover 50 tips and tricks on how to use Windows 10. This is going to be subdivided into 5 tips every video. So be sure to stay tuned to watch each and every one of it so that you can enhance your experience in the use of Windows 10. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Rashid and welcome back to Epic Mentorship. If you are new here, consider liking and subscribing to our channel to keep enjoying related useful videos from this channel. For you today, 5 tips and tricks. Let's get started. Tip number 1 is the disk cleanup. Nowadays, you can use the disk cleanup provided by the Windows 10 to clean up unused files or to ensure that your computer runs smoothly and fast. So to use the disk cleanup, all you need to do is to come over to the search bar here and search for disk cleanup. You can select directly from which of the files you want to clean up. I usually select all. And then once I'm done selecting, you can say OK, and it's going to give you the option that this is going to delete your files permanently. And once you're OK with it, you say yes, delete files, and it is going to start directly. Tip number 2 is the Microsoft Print to PDF option. Nowadays, Microsoft has provided the Print to PDF option, a feature that you can easily use to print your files, your document from Microsoft Office or from the browser directly to PDF without you using any application or any software. So to do that, all you need to do is within a particular app, maybe Microsoft Word, you can just come over to files here and you can come to print, and you can see down here at the printer option, you can have the option to do Microsoft Print to PDF. And once you click on this and click on print, your document is going to be printed in PDF, and you just give it a name and you specify a given location, and then you have it directly printed as PDF. Additionally, you can print any web page directly to PDF by just coming to the 3 dots right here and then click on it and then come over to print. And once you come over here and you click on see more, you'll see the option down here the option to Microsoft Print to PDF. You just click on it, and once you are sure you need all the pages and what kind of page settings, portrait or landscape, and the color, and then once you click on print, it's going to ask you to specify the location. Once you specify maybe desktop and we said Epic and we save this, it's going to give you in PDF as well. It's going to print it in PDF just like that. Tip number 3 is the use of the sticky notes. Microsoft has now provided sticky notes for you to put in your schedules, your daily schedules, to stay active and to know what you have in your tasks that are completed and those that are not yet completed. So to access that, you need to come down here to the search bar and type sticky notes. As once you click, you can see it. You have the option to bring it up. Once you bring it up, you can you can add new one. For example, I have mine here, and you have the option down here to add different page, and over to these 3 dots you can click on it and you can change the view of the sticky notes, and you can just start writing, and just like that you can start writing your schedules. And once you are done with a particular schedule, you can cross it out, or you can change the coloration, or you can bold or italize or underline. You can toggle the bullets from here, and you can insert even images inside the sticky notes for easy remembrance and usage. You can actually synchronize it to your email. So on the as you're starting, you can easily synchronize it to your email, and you can open it on any device. You can have access to it from any kind of computer. So as you are starting it, you need to log in to put in your details, and then you can be able to access it on other devices as well. Tip number 4 is the use of the system file checker. You can now use the command prompt to check your files for unused files, as well as you can check your system files for missing files and for files that are needed to be replaced within your system, you can all do this within the command prompt. Automatically, the system will select which file is not useful and which one needs to be replaced, and it will automatically replace it for you. So to access that, all you need to do is to start by coming to the search bar here and type cmd, because you need to access the command prompt, and right click on it, and then you have to enable run as administrator. Let me say yes. And down here you can quickly search, type the sfc space, and then you put the / and then you put in scan now. Hitting enter, it's going to start scanning your computer. This may take some time. All right, and you can see just now it's completed, and it says Windows resource protection found some corrupt files and successfully repaired them. So if it doesn't repair them, it can give you options as well on how to get them repaired within the Windows. Tip number 5 is Windows themes. As you can see on my system, this looks kind of cool and nice. You can have it for your computer as well. You can have series of themes that can change with time, and as you are moving, as you are working, it will consistently keep changing, and you can have for your system. So to bring in new themes that can look this beautiful, all you need to do is to come over to the desktop and right click and come over to personalize, and you can come down here to your left to themes. You can see the ones I have, they have the Bridging the Gap and the Cloud Premium, and you can just come here and say get more themes from the Microsoft Store. There are lots of themes here that are available for you, which are, some of them are very free. You can see a lot of them are free, and once you choose and enable and activate and apply, it's just going to open in your own, just like that. I also like this World Ocean Vape Premium. And once you click on it, you can say get it, and you can install it just like that. And then once you're done installing, you can hit apply, and it's going to be within your themes list. And once you are done, you come to themes and you want to add it, you can see it down here. Once you click on it, it's going to be activated as your theme. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed these 5 tips and tricks. If you do, kindly feel free to share with your friends. And don't forget to watch out for the remaining tips and tricks that I share in this particular series. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.